How to make a section smaller on Squarespace easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a section smaller in Squarespace. So let's get into it. First of all, you can open up squarespace.com and you're going to log into your account. Select the website you want to edit and it will take you right here to your Squarespace editor. Here, you're going to click on edit. Now this is the page that I will be editing. We have different sections right here. You can either go ahead and add a new section to your website, or we can make an already created section smaller. So maybe let's make this one a little smaller. All you need to do is just select the section from here and you will find these blue lines like this section is selected. Then you have to just click on edit section. We have gap and then we have our width. So what you can do is you can decrease it like this. You can see. And now you can see my section is a little bit smaller. And this is for the gap that we have in our section. Then we have fill section. So you can go ahead and, uncheck this option as well. We have background colors too. So this is how you edit a section within your Squarespace. To make it smaller, what you guys can do is you can just simply grab the edges and you can just move your mouse a little bit and it will be small. You can see now this section is pretty small than what it was before, because we kind of like clicked on edit section and customize the gap, and then we have to switch off the full screen. We have row count as well. For this one you can decrease it and you will be able to make it smaller. Now you can of course add more elements to it. You can go ahead and add a new section too. For example, click right here and it will give you the option of add a section, and then of course you can make it smaller or bigger according to your adjustments. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.